Hello students, this is the chapter number 40, Technical and Railway Phrases. Phraseography in Engineering and Railway Offices. There is no more difficult form of note-taking than that to be met with in the offices of electrical and mechanical engineers or certain departments of railway work. Special care is therefore necessary on the part of the shorthand writer undertaking such work. It is not, of course, to be expected that he should have a great deal of technical knowledge, but it is very desirable that he should endeavor to acquire at least a general knowledge of the difference in meaning of terms which are more or less similar in sound. He will find that the terms used are dictated at a fairly rapid rate and that his outlines for them must be clearly and easily written. Very much more extensive lists of phrases are given in the publisher's series of shorthand writers' phrase books, to which the shorthand writer entering for the first time the office of an engineering concern or a railway is referred. So let's start with electrical and engineering phrases. Alternating currents. Upward L above the line with the ter N stroke T for alternating, intersecting at the end with K for current. Automatic apparatus. T above the line is used here for automatic, intersecting it with P with a circle for apparatus. Bessemer steel. B on the line, ST loop upward L intersecting here for steel. Block signal. Bulk K above the line for block. Joined S circle with G for signal is used here. Civil engineer. S circle well through the line is used here for civil. N stroke J is used here for engineer. Combustion chamber. Come dot B S circle on the line T and N hook through the line for combustion, intersecting at the end with J for chamber. Current density D N stroke S circle T stroke for density, intersecting at the beginning with K for current. Discharge resistance D S circle J is used here for discharge. Upward R S circle used here, intersecting here for resistance. Discharge chamber. Same outline for discharge D S circle J. Disjoint J is used here for chamber at the end. Earth currents. Upward R D on the line for earth and K with a circle intersecting at the end for currents. Eddy currents. D on the line intersecting it with K S circle for currents. Electric current. Downward L K on the line for electric. Disjoint K is used here for current. Electrical engineer. Downward L K cull is used here for electrical and stroke J is used here for engineer joint. Outline is used here. Energy current. N with R hook with the J stroke on the line, intersecting it with at the end with K stroke for current. Energy resistance. N stroke with R hook, J stroke on the line energy and intersecting at the end with the upper R S circle for resistance. Exhaust wall. G double S circle and T for exhaust, intersecting at the end with V for valve. Free charge. Alternative form of fur through the line is used here for free, intersecting it with J for charge. Heating apparatus. Upward edge halved with NG stroke is used here for heating, intersecting at the end with PS circle for apparatus. High resistance. Downward edge above the line is used for high, intersecting it with upward R, S circle for resistance. High voltage. Downward H above the line is used here for high, same outline, intersecting it with V for voltage. Induction coil. N halved thickened with K is used here for induction, and K with L hook cull is used here for coil. Lever and weight safety valve. Upward L through the line for lever, way halved for weight upward. S circle F with T stroke is used here for safety, intersecting it with V at the end for valve. Low pressure cylinder, upward L on the line with shur ish with R hook on the line, low pressure, and S circle, a double form of L with N hook is used here for cylinder. Low voltage, upward L on the line, intersecting it with V for voltage. Mechanical strokers, M stroke, K stroke is used for mechanical. S circle, T cur, K with R hook, and S circle is used here for strokers. Monophase generator, M stroke, N stroke, F stroke, S circle above the line for monophase, intersecting at the end for a generator with J. No voltage attachment, N stroke on the line, intersecting it with V for voltage, and JMNT is used here for attachment. M halved with N hook is used here. Pressure gauge, per on the line, G with J stroke. Clear? है? Next is primary battery. Per stroke above the line, M stroke upward R is used here for primary, intersecting at the end with B for battery. Primary coil, per stroke M stroke upward R above the line is used here for primary, and cull K with L hook for coil is used here. Primary currents, same outline for primary above the line and intersecting at the end with K with a circle for currents. Railway engineer, N stroke J stroke on the line for engineer. Upward R is intersecting here at the beginning for a railway. Residual charge, upward R S circle D upward L on the line. Residual at the end, intersecting it with J for charge. Resistance board, upward R S circle for resistance, intersecting it with B downward R, thickened and halved for board. Resistance of copper circuits, K above the line per copper, and S circle downward R, K halved with S circle is used here for circuits, intersecting at the beginning with upward R S circle for resistance. Rotary converter, upward R T, another upward R is used here on the line for rotary, and alternative form of ver doubled is used here for converter. Rotary transformer, same outline on the line for rotary, upward R T, another upward R, and intersecting it with F at the end for transformer. Secondary coil, S circle K halved with N hook, upward R is used here for secondary, and coil के लिए क्या cull is used here. Same outline for secondary current. Secondary के लिए same outline, intersecting it with K at the end for current. Site feed lubricator, feed के लिए क्या F, and burr for lubricator, K double for cater, and intersecting at the beginning with S circle with T for site. Spring balance safety valve, SPR through the line for spring, B with L hook for balance, and S circle with F for safety, intersecting at the end with V for valve. Vacuum brake, V and K above the line for vacuum, intersecting it with burr and K on the line finished outline for brake. Water cooling plant. Way upward above the line with the ter is used here for water. K intersecting here for cooling, and pull halved with N hook is used here for plant. So these are the phrases of electrical and engineering. ठीक है, फ्रॉम द चैप्टर नंबर 40 टेक्निकल एंड रेलवे फ्रेजेस. सो इससे रिलेटेड जो भी एक्सरसाइज होंगी वो आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगी, और रेलवे फ्रेजेस भी अलग से आपको उससे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेगी. तो आप लोगों को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.